So we have our integration harness down here. These are the factory connectors here. So when you order your kit, you're going to get your premium ANC bypass. This is for Alpine and Harman Kardon. So that'll go to your white plug. We'll go ahead and plug that one in. And then we have these two, which are your speaker returns. So just plug them into the corresponding. And this little one can be a little tricky sometimes. So we're gonna wiggle it around while we try to put it in, make sure everything gets lined up, and they're not. Go surprise. What I have seen is these little bottom pins sometimes need to be pushed up just a little bit. Okay. You can see there's not very much for them to get in, so you got to be real good with it. There we go, just like that. And then we'll take this and tuck the rest of it under the carpet, and all you have left is your premium ANC. And the reason for that is we like to keep the factory amp powered on and keep data going to it, so the system doesn't throw an error code on the back end. The actual truck system, we have seen that before. So we keep power and data going to it. And that's it. Put this carpet back over the vent. And now we can go to the other side and start running our RCAs.